Hello, Sweetness, Dad here. Special treat today. This is, let's see here. This is a Glock 19 from Lone Wolf Distributors. It's a Timberwolf. This is the Timberwolf frame. The angle is different from the Glock 19 in that it's angled more like a 1911 than it is a Glock. And this is just a beautiful slide. It uses Glock parts. It's all Glock internal parts. Glock recoil spring, Glock trigger, Glock springs, Glock barrel, Glock sights, Glock extractor, Glock ejector. So I use Glock magazines to danger this baby up. So that oh, and yes, you can see it's purple. This is a purple gun case I got for you. See, and I put a nice big label on it so everybody knows that it's yours. All right, love you.